Hello, my name is Sam, and welcome to Brain Tech. In this video, I will show you how to create a public profile on Snapchat. To start, open your Snapchat application. Once you are here, tap on your profile photo on the upper left. This one over here. Just tap on it. Once you're here, click on the gear icon on the upper right. Once you tap on it, this will lead you to settings. Now over at settings, you are going to scroll down. In here at privacy controls, select every one in these options. Make sure you follow the same settings that I have. In here, turn off ghost mode. Do this and click on My Friends. Once done, tap on View My Story. And in here, make sure you click on Everyone. Once done, scroll down once again. And then at Contact Me, tap on it. In here, make sure you check on Everyone. This one over here, make sure you check it. And then scroll down once again. In here, over at Quick Add, turn this one on. All you have to do is slide the button to the right. Now go back to your profile and then scroll down. In here, you can tap on My Public Profile. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.